So this is a little tutorial on how to use a needle threader. Here I have my needle, and you see the eye of the needle, which is rather small and difficult to get the thread through. But my needle threader has this large diamond part, which is also a bit flexible. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to stick that tip through the eye of my needle. Okay, so now it's securely in my needle. But now I have this very large hole that I can use to stick my thread through. So I'll take my thread and I'll stick it through this diamond hole of my threader. Okay, and then I'm going to pull the threader through the needle, and now I have my thread on the needle. Okay, now if I were to use, if I wanted to use a double thread, then rather than taking it like this and tying a knot at the end or just using it like this, it's better to use two separate threads. So I would either, when I put the threader through the needle, I would either put both threads in at the same time, although it might be a little tough to pull both through together. Or like I did, I put one in, now I'm going to put another one in, and again pull it through the needle. And then I can line up my threads. But now I have two threads through the needle. So I could do it like this, and then I could start sewing. And the idea of doing it this way rather than just one doubled over is it gives me more flexibility to move the needle along the thread while I'm working. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions.